Welcome to another insightful episode on Man of Thoughts, where we delve deep into the human psyche. Today, we're exploring the intriguing topic of attractiveness. But hold on, we're not just talking about physical allure. Our journey today encompasses the allure of personality, the charm of attitude, and the magnetism of an individual's aura. Attractiveness is a multifaceted concept that goes beyond skin deep. So buckle up as we decode the secrets to looking attractive. Our first tip is about exuding confidence. Confidence, you see, is more than just a feeling. It's an energy, a vibe that you radiate out to the world. And believe it or not, this energy is like a magnet, drawing people towards you. Why is that so? Because confidence is attractive. It signals to others that you believe in yourself, that you trust your abilities and your instincts. It tells them that you're comfortable in your own skin, that you embrace your uniqueness and your individuality. But here's the thing about confidence. It's not something that you're either born with or not. It's a state of mind that can be nurtured, cultivated, and developed. It's about practicing self-love, about valuing your self-worth, about recognizing your strengths and your potential. So, if you want to boost your attractiveness, start by boosting your confidence. Remember, confidence is a state of mind that can be nurtured and developed. Moving on to our second tip, the power of positivity. It's a force that's often underestimated, but it's one that can make you incredibly attractive. It's more than just a glass-half-full approach. It's about radiating energy that uplifts others. It's about being the light in someone's day. When you maintain a positive attitude, it reflects in your demeanor. You stand taller, you smile more, and there's a certain sparkle in your eyes. This positivity is contagious. People are naturally drawn to those who exude positive energy. It's like a magnet pulling people towards you. The way you interact with others also changes. You become more engaging, more pleasant to be around. You become someone people want to spend time with. And here's the beauty of it all. Positivity isn't just attractive, it's transformative. It changes the way you see yourself, and in turn, changes the way others see you. A positive mindset can truly transform the way people perceive you. The third tip centers around authenticity. It's not about trying to be someone else or fitting into a mold that society has crafted. Instead, it's about being true to oneself. Authenticity, you see, is magnetic. It draws people in because it's rare to find, and even rarer to hold on to. Authenticity is in the laughter that bubbles up from the pit of your stomach, the passion that lights your eyes when you speak about something you love, and the way you dance when you think no one's watching. It's about being unapologetically you. Why is authenticity so attractive? It's because it shows a level of self-assuredness and contentment that is inherently appealing. People who are authentic don't seek external validation. They're content with who they are. They're confident in their own skin, and that confidence shines through. Authenticity is about being comfortable in your own skin and owning who you are. Our fourth tip is the captivating power of kindness. Now, when we think of attractiveness, kindness may not be the first trait that springs to mind. However, research has shown that it plays a crucial role in our perception of attractiveness. You see, kindness is more than just being nice. It's a demonstration of empathy, of understanding, of compassion. When we witness acts of kindness, we see a person's ability to connect with others on a deeply human level. This creates a sense of warmth, a feeling of safety, and a connection that is undeniably attractive. Moreover, kindness signifies a compassionate and understanding nature. It's a trait that speaks volumes about a person's character. It shows that they value others, that they're considerate, and that they're capable of genuine care. These are all qualities that people naturally gravitate towards. So remember, kindness isn't just about being good to others. It's about showing the world the depth of your character. Kindness truly does have a captivating charm. Last but not least, our fifth tip is about the allure of ambition. There's something magnetic about ambition, something that draws us in and holds our attention. Why is this? Well, ambition is more than just wanting to achieve. It's a burning desire to improve, to evolve, to reach beyond what's expected. Ambitious individuals stand out in a crowd. Their minds are set on their goals, their focus unwavering. They're driven by a purpose, a vision of a future that's better than their present, and they're not afraid to chase after it. This determination, this relentless pursuit of progress, can be incredibly appealing. It signals that they are not content with mediocrity, that they are always striving for excellence, for something greater. But it's not just about the relentless pursuit of goals. Ambitious people are also problem solvers. They see obstacles as challenges to overcome, not as roadblocks. They're not deterred by failure. Instead, they see it as a learning opportunity, a stepping stone towards success. This resilience, this ability to bounce back from setbacks, is another attractive quality of ambitious individuals. However, it's important to remember that ambition should not be mistaken for arrogance. True ambition is balanced with humility. It's about recognizing that there's always room for growth, for improvement. It's about being driven, but not at the expense of others. Ambition, when balanced with humility, can be highly attractive. This blend of ambition and humility creates a compelling, attractive personality that's hard to resist. To wrap things up, we've navigated the labyrinth of attractiveness, unearthing not just superficial aspects, but the profound psychological elements that truly make one appealing. Confidence, that radiant armor we wear, shields us from self-doubt while projecting an irresistible allure. Positivity, the beacon in the fog, draws others towards us, creating an environment of optimism and joy. Authenticity, the rarest gem, is what sets us apart. Being true to ourselves exudes an attraction that is both unique and genuine. Kindness, the universal language, captivates hearts, fostering bonds of respect and affection. Lastly, ambition, the flame that never dies, signifies our drive, our passion, and our desire to evolve, making us incredibly attractive. Remember, attractiveness is not just about looks, but also about the personality and aura you project. Thank you for joining us on Man of Thoughts. Until next time, keep shining.